We have the frame in the booth now. We've done all our sandblasting, made the last pass at the sandblasting, and what we're doing now is what we typically do on most of these frames, is to get in the inside real detailed, and we use a 3M rubberized undercoat as our first pass-through on the inside frame rail, mainly because sometimes it's difficult in order to get the gun, the HVLP, which stands for high volume low pressure gun, which is, low pressure. It just doesn't maybe blow around inside as well. We really don't care about the aesthetics inside the frame at all because obviously you don't see it. So we're just making a real effort to get inside the frame, coat it really well, and then obviously when we come back through with the actual spray gun to do the outside part of it, we're going to coat that as well inside. So we're getting a lot of material coverage inside the frame, which is so important, and that's where on most Land Cruiser frames, you don't have a lot of huge, deficit issues or rust issues in the front part there. Usually they'll take place starting right about here and on their way up, and especially in the back here. But again, this frame is in really great shape, so like in any restoration, it just warrants making the extra effort there, and that's what we're doing. So this frame will go into paint here today.